The storm has came, guys. I'm ruining this perfect snow on purpose. Ugh. See, they plowed this barely like an hour or two ago. Ugh. Now it's covered again and it's ice. Dang.